This is a practical guide to identifying AI video. I learned of Jeremy through social media, as so many things today are, and I was following him on Instagram, and he has videos that are AI videos that he shows and walks people through how to detect and identify different anomalies that are just good rules of thumb for knowing what's AI and what's not. AI video is flooding social media. We all see this on our phones. When they created a brand new YouTube account on YouTube Shorts, 20% of the videos were AI, just the videos that naturally showed up as the first 100 videos for that user. Just look at all the fake ICE videos that have flooded the internet over the past month or two. Videos that show confrontations between ICE and police, between ICE and ICE, between ICE and protesters. This is fast, cheap deception at scale in many ways. The quality improvements are outpacing the guardrails that the platforms can actually put in place. If you see fake videos alongside real videos, you start to wonder, is this real? Is this real? Is that real?
When it comes down to what I'm going to be doing today, it'll be a lot about how to spot AI videos and AI photos, focusing more on videos. In fact, many of the people who do AI video aren't themselves good at video. They're good at data. They're good at math. They're good at engineering, but they aren't really looking that closely. I think before the middle of last year, there was a stereotype that only old people got tricked by AI. That's really not the case anymore. My pages reach, 850,000 followers across them now. Most of those are younger people who themselves are getting tricked by AI video all the time and looking to learn. First, I want to dive into what AI actually means, what an machine learning model is, that what it's doing when it's learning how to generate videos or photos is it is learning how to turn a photo into random noise and then back. The training inputs are taken by cameras, but that's where it stops. Basically, from everything from the training on out is purely math, very, very complicated math. The big change that happened here is called the diffusion transformer. So diffusion, which is the process we just showed, that's how this video is made. But the transformer architecture is a machine learning architecture that allows you to scale whatever your inputs and outputs are to be really large. And that's when AI video got really good. AI videos are not deepfakes. These are oftentimes confused, or people might call AI videos deepfakes, but they're very different in a lot of ways. AI videos are broadly generated across the entire frame. That's what the diffusion process does. It does every pixel that you see in the video, whereas deepfakes are targeted manipulations, usually to existing media. AI videos excel at generating brand new things. Deepfakes excel at modifying existing videos. AI videos can trick anyone right now. I'm going to play just an example of an AI video. This is completely fake, generated by math. Determining a source trust is almost the entire game. That's what we're really trying to do here. If you see an old AI video, you're like, wow, that's really obviously bad. So as the technology improves, we're actually seeing that accounts that post a lot of AI will delete and create new accounts or change their name and delete old videos because their old videos would give them away. AI doesn't talk like humans. It doesn't understand our nuanced conversations. It can only get so much context during training. The final thing I'll say here is focus on the first second or two of a suspected AI video, because that is when the AI model is still kind of forming its scene. Looking out into the future, the models are going to keep improving. We know that for sure, but we don't know how. Large AI companies are going to be developing new models, and the open source world is behind them. AI video mimics real life. So almost anything that like a real person could do, now AI could do. It's just there's a margin of error. So you're looking at the margin of error. The margin of error is getting smaller and smaller every month. You need humans in the loop. The way that Factal approaches this is actually the way I approach it. You need human analysts. Because even if you had an AI detector, it wouldn't be able to impart the judgment of what's actually notable and why a deception or why a threat is happening. It's kind of the Wild West right now.